Zacychan Squad. We're about to head to a car meet. So we got the Charger. We got the RS. And then we got the Golf. Oh, dude, I wanted you to do it. Revs on your car.
Oh, my car? Oh.
I know what my fucking car sounds like.
Oh, okay. dude, but my car doesn't sound good. Bro.
Dude, whatever. Your car sounds amazing.
It sounds better than
it. Gonna get a little rev in real quick. That pop sounds so good. I'll hit you up when we get there. What's up, y'all? We're almost there at the meet in Houston. I just wanted to show you guys these houses. They are freaking beautiful. Like, this is my goals. I don't want a house like this right on top of each other like these, but like, oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. But yeah, I just want to show y'all. We're almost there. Dude, this Beamer's a freaking popcorn machine. Oh my god, that sounds so gorgeous. This Mitsubishi's sick as hell, though. Dude, where are these on the window? I've never seen this before. You still don't see him?
I don't know. I don't see where he's at.
Oh, there he is. He's right there. ZR1.
The same one? Yours, Justin? No, that's
Oh, dude, it's a manual too. Got the ZR1 on the taillights. I don't think I'd buy a Corvette unless it was a manual.
Hmm?
It's a manual. I don't think I'd buy a Corvette unless it was a manual.
Is it a manual?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah.
I heard Corvette wheels crack too. I don't know if that's true.
No.
That's not true?
You never had an issue with that.
Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. You guys don't want.
The fucking the RS3s are like 6,000.
They're that much? He's boosted. It says boost mode on the side. Our little lineup looks nice, dude. I'm just glad I wrapped my hood. Dude, look, wrap your hood, bro. This is how sick it'll look if you wrap it.
Yeah, you have the hood snouts.
Is it chipped? No.
Bro, look, if you wrap it, it looks so good. Plus, you got the red car, so the black's gonna stand out even more. Or GTO, man. Two GTOs. Dude, that's yes, I like GTO. 6.6 liter. Dude, look at that thing. Oh my god. I got gapped the fuck out of one of these, dude.
There's a black one in the Ritter.
Yeah, that's the one that gapped me. Oh my god, it sounds so good, man.
Dude, he came around me at 100.
Look at those wheels. Did you race him?
Yeah, he came around at 100.
We did a 30 roll.
Yeah,
and he spun the whole time, bro.
Was he spinning?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
This wrap though, dude, looks good. It's got messed up right there, but damn, look at this Charger, dude. This shit's fire. That fucking 3-inch wheel gap. And there's this fucking Mero with those turned wheels. I like the design on the bottom by the fog lights. Yeah. That's pretty sick.
It's supposed to have boomerang style headlights, which I don't.
It's supposed to have what?
Boomerang style. It comes through here, like an L.
Oh, that'd be sick as hell, dude. Especially if they're color changing.
They aren't color changing, but they're LED.
That 5.0 makes me want one even more, dude. If I had one of these, I'd have to learn how to drift.
Huh?
If I had one of these, I'd have to learn how to drift.
Don't be one of those people.
Dude, I'd have to. In the name of Tokyo Drift.
Those are not factory Nissan brakes. Those things look way too. Never mind, they are.
It's got the Nissan. It's got the Nismo.
Yeah.
On the wheels.
This
you just have to have that package.
This was the same body style one that I had.
That's sexy, dude. I don't want just a little bit bigger of a wing, but that's nice as hell. I'm gonna go check out these these cars down here. This thing's light as hell. Look at all this carbon fiber.
I thought about doing that to my car.
Do it, dude.
Doing the front two fenders and the
hood. Dude, that'd make it light as hell.
So this is the 2020.
Bro, just put this hood on yours and take the RS badge off. People won't know.
Don't be like that. You know, and then people hate it whenever they put the bow tie in the bumper. So I haven't seen one with a color match bumper before.
I like that bottom grill.
I like the color match bumper a lot better than the one that's black.
This Mustang's talking to me, dude. Oh my god. It is so nice.
Because my wheel got smaller than that. And this one has 20s on it, huh?
Same thing. Looks like it.
You have 20s?
Got the carbon fiber fenders.
Somebody hang out the.
Ugh, it's a Buckeyes fan.
Lean up the brake cane.
We got a C20 at home. We got a C20 at home. I know it's not a Ford, but those old style. Yeah, the Chevys. Those old pickup trucks are nice, man. It's got some headers on it. That's about it. Dude, that freaking wide body Hellcat is so nice.
Dude, did you know they make wide body scat packs now?
Yeah, man. Those are expensive as hell. Brand new, they're like $49 for like no options. They're really not. They're really not, man. They're not that way. This thing is sick as hell, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is sick as hell, dude.
Thanks, man.
Oh my god.
Take my car, dude. I own a performance shop, dude. We make all the shit. Everything.
For real?
Yeah, even the shift knob, all the shift knobs. We custom make car parts.
Are you gonna take one off your windshield?
Yeah, dude, that's what's there for. It's for you.
Oh, dude, that's what's up, man.
Yeah, man, give us a follow.
Ooh, dude, this is so nice.
So with the electronic throttle body, you're able to have like launch control, cruise control, you know, traction control, idle control.
Okay, so what made you want a rotary swap?
It's not a swap. It's an RX-7.
Wait, is it an RX-7? Oh,
yeah, well, it is a swap from another rotary.
Because this is a. Is this a 2-motor? For a second, I thought it was a pig nose.
Yeah,
SS, dude. SS popping.
I didn't realize.
Maybe I want an SS now. I don't know what I want, bro. Dude, that's nice.
The cheaper version of the SS.
I don't know those trims. What is that? Is that like the lowest trim?
This is a new trim.
LT1?
Yeah.
So what are the other trims?
Either LS, LT, SS, Z01.
What's yours? LT?
No, it's a LT, but it's the RS package, so it has the rims. It has the, see, this is the.
Gosh damn, dude.
It's not that wide.
I know, but he's got like 11-inch wheels or something. This is insane. I would love this. Maybe they're going to another meet. I don't know. Dude, if they are, I'm gonna follow.
And what do you think about people?
The Hellcat on the back too. That's awesome.
He might crash right there. I thought that was a 240, dude.
I was waiting for him to hit that car pulling in.
I thought that was a 240, dude. I was like, man, there's a rotor.
Dude, look at the tire on this thing. Those, dude, those are huge.
These are the ones I want.
Oh my god.
I want those in mine. You got the party tires on, dude.
Corn fed. That's cool.
You know the name of this wheel? I know those came off the Zacychan.
This one's on a tire too.
So Chevrolet, they made those same snowflake wheels for the Camaro Z28. So technically that's a factory wheel, but they do make rep. Well,
It's freaking sexy.
they make the little SRT.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn right. Exit right, turn right onto Interstate 10.
This video footage does not do it justice how fucking loud these streets are right now. Everyone is like fucking straight pipes. It's so loud. Gimbal, so I'm not all fucking shaky.
You don't have a helmet cam?
Yeah, I do, bro, but like you have to put it in like this little case, and like while I was driving I was like, it's too dangerous, I'm gonna fucking wreck. See, that was a fun cruise, huh, with all those 370Zs. Huh? That was a fun cruise with all those 370Zs. I hit something in the road when we're all fucking cruising together.
Plastic and shit.
Yeah, dude, there's so much fucking...
all the Z's going, dude. I was like, I was about to dip with them, dude. I was like, man, we should
I saw them leave too, man. I was like, should we leave with them or should we come here?
Yeah, man, they knew how